Hey dears, I'm here with yummy Quince jam. The ingredients are 1 kilo of quinces, 1 kilo of sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Cut the quince into 4 pieces. It's not necessary to peel the quince to prepare this jam. Remove its seeds and hard or extra parts. Cut up the quinces into the preferred size. We can use shopping mold too. Pour the pieces in a pot. Pour enough sugar on them. Add water as much as the water covers the quinces. Let them boil on heat. When it boils, turn the heat down.
One hour later.
After an hour, brew the jam. The heat should still be low. Gradually, jam's color changes. After 3 hours, the jam syrup thickens and the quinces turn red. Finally, pour 1 tablespoon lime juice. Turn the heat off. When the jam cools, the syrup becomes thicker. It's ready to eat. Enjoy your meal!